Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by preparing the device and starting the update flow. First, make sure the tablet is plugged in or above 50% battery so power won't interrupt the process. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network to prevent corrupted downloads and free up at least 2 GB of space so the update can unpack. Then open Settings, tap System or About Tablet, and choose System Updates. This launches the check and download step that moves you forward. You continue by letting the device fetch and prepare the software. After tapping Check for updates, allow the package to download fully. This can take 10 to 30 minutes depending on speed. Do not close settings or reboot the tablet while the download runs. The installer verifies integrity to avoid bricking. Once ready, select Install Now or Schedule if you want the update during night hours. The system will reboot into recovery mode and apply the update, which can take. You finish by allowing finalization and verifying success. After installation, the tablet reboots and performs app optimization. Wait until you see the lock screen before interacting. Once booted, confirm the new Android version in Settings and test key apps. If something goes wrong, try clearing system cache or booting into safe mode and retrying the update. This resolves many conflicts. If issues persist, perform a factory reset only after you restore a backup. That preserves data integrity.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.